Hello and welcome to Hardware Husky. Today we'll be looking at the Corsair Dark Core RGB SE wireless gaming mouse. The SE stands for Special Edition because this mouse has wireless Qi charging. Now this wireless mouse retails for about £90 in the UK, but can be had for much cheaper if you shop around and look for deals. Also available to go with this mouse is the MM1000 mouse mat, which has a hard surface which I'm unsure of at the moment. Opening the box, the side tells you about the interchangeable side grips, the mouse mat I mentioned earlier on, and about the onboard profiles and the DPI settings. We also have the mouse itself, which you can put your hand on to test out the size before you even buy it. Under the mouse is a tray which pulls out to reveal all the accessories that come with it. We have a 1.8 meter braided cable, which is really nice. We also have a side grip. We have an adapter to change the end of the cable so you can plug your wireless receiver into it. And finally, the wireless receiver. And after removed from the packaging, the mouse itself. Picking up the mouse, it's quite heavy, but it's not overly heavy. On the bottom side, we have the on-off switch, the 2.4G selector, Bluetooth selector, and the Pixar optical sensor. On the side we have a few more buttons and LED indicators. On the back we have a glossy surface, a textured snakeskin surface and a matte plastic mouse buttons. The side is coated in a rubberized plastic. On the front we have the port for the charging or wired use. And back onto the side you can remove this panel here, quite easy by pulling it, and then sticking on the winged side grip. It's held on by magnets, so it's really easy to change and really secure. And that's all the accessories. When you compare the Dark Core RGB SE to my M65, it's a lot longer, taller, wider and a little bit heavier. But I don't mind this as it feels really comfortable in my hand and it's really nice to use. For buttons, at the very front we have a forward button, then we have a sniper button and a back button. On the top we have the DPI selecting buttons. Go forward to go up, backwards to go down. On the top we have a profile select switch. Obviously the left click, we also have a right click, we have a scroll wheel that also clicks. The main buttons are on-run switches rated for 50 million clicks. Being the SE edition of the mouse, it has Qi charging enabled, which you can use on the MM1000 mouse mat or any other Qi charger. I don't have the MM1000 so I'm using my phone charger. I really like my M65, I've had it for about over 5 years. Nothing wrong with it, it's really good. So I was thinking about returning the Dark Core, but after using it, it feels so nice in your hand and the side grip makes it so much more comfortable to use. I really like this mouse and I'm going to keep it as my daily driver. And now that's it. Thank you for watching Hardware Huskies. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time.